Welcome to the beautiful and culturally rich country of the United Arab Emirates, also known as the UAE. The UAE is located in the Middle East, on the southeastern side of the Arabian Peninsula. If we look at the world map, we can find the UAE in the continent of Asia, bordered by Saudi Arabia and Oman, and connected to the Arabian Gulf. The full form of UAE is United Arab Emirates. The country was officially formed on 2nd December 1971 when seven emirates came together in unity and cooperation to create one strong nation. These seven emirates are Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Quwan, Fujairah, and Ras Al Khaimah. Together, they work as one country while preserving their own traditions and heritage. In by Fi Intain Manfi. The capital city of the UAE is Abu Dhabi, which is known for its leadership, culture, and remarkable architecture. The UAE is a country that beautifully balances tradition and modern development. Its culture reflects values such as respect, hospitality, unity, generosity, and national pride. The people of the UAE deeply value their identity, customs, and cultural heritage, which can be clearly seen in their traditional attire. Now, let us explore the traditional dress of the UAE. The traditional attire for men is called the kandura, also known as dishdasha. It is a long white robe designed to keep the body cool in the hot desert climate. Men also wear a head covering called the ghutra or kefia, which is secured with a black cord known as the agal. This attire represents simplicity, dignity, and respect for Emirati traditions. The traditional attire for women is called the abaya. It is a graceful black cloak worn over regular clothing. Women also wear a headscarf called the shaila, and many Emirati women beautifully decorate their attire with elegant embroidery and designs. This traditional clothing reflects modesty, elegance, and cultural identity. The traditional attire of the UAE is more than just clothing. It is a symbol of heritage, unity, and pride. Even in today's modern world, the people of the UAE continue to honor and preserve their traditions with great respect. Thank you for joining this journey to learn about the culture and